Welcome to V2 Diaries. Hope you guys are doing well, and we are back with a super interesting video, which is a Nutella cake recipe. This is a Nutella cake recipe which is eggless and can also be made without an oven. So if you're interested to know how, let's just dive into the video. But before that, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Step 1 is take half a teaspoon of baking soda and add it to half a cup of curd. Give it a mix and set aside for the curd to react with baking soda. Let that sit for some time. Now in another bowl, add 1/4 cup of butter and oil. I've taken 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons oil. You can either use butter completely or oil. 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Whisk them well continuously until they become light and fluffy and looks something like this, and the butter turns pale white. To this, add the curd and soda mixture. Look how foamy this has become. Scrape out the complete mixture and do not waste anything. To this wet mixture, add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of Nutella. A video on how to make this Nutella at home is already up on the channel. I will leave it in the card above or in the description box below. Whisk well to combine all the ingredients and to incorporate as much as air into the batter. Since this is an eggless cake, this is a super important step to make this cake fluffy. Let's move on to add our dry ingredients. Place a sift, add 1.5 cups of maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 cup cocoa powder. Now sift all the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. This is again an important step to aerate the dry ingredients. Now add 1/4 cup of milk, little at a time, a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix them well using a spatula. Do not overmix at this stage as it will knock out all the air and will make your cake dense. Add the remaining milk. I'm using a whisk to remove any lumps, but ensure you do not overmix at this stage. Now grease the cake tin with some oil and dust this with maida. I'm using a 7.5 inch cake tin. This step needs to be done even before you prepare your cake batter. Now pour the delicious Nutella cake batter into the prepared tin. I've already preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I have to remove any excess air bubbles and bake them for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a skewer inserted comes clean. To bake this without an oven, click on the card above and the timing remains the same. Now while it's baking, let's prepare some chocolate ganache. For that, I've taken 100 grams of dark chocolate. Chop them into small pieces so that they melt evenly. This is a super simple chocolate ganache just with chocolate and milk. For the double boiler setup, fill a pan with 1/4 of water. Let the water boil, place it on a simmer, and after that place a heat-proof bowl. To that, add the chopped chocolate. Once the chocolate starts melting, add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. The amount of milk depends on the consistency of the chocolate ganache that you require. Once the chocolate is melted and your ganache is smooth and silky, set it aside for it to cool completely. Once the cake is baked, let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes and demold the cake and let the cake cool completely before adding the chocolate ganache. Now pour the prepared chocolate ganache onto the cake. Spread it across using a spatula to cover the sides, and our delicious and yummy Nutella chocolate cake, which is eggless and made without an oven, is ready to be served. I'm adding chocolate sprinkles just for decoration. You can skip this step entirely. Also, we are planning for a Christmas series, so if you have any recipes that you want us to prepare, leave it in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video.